We have us a new Trane XR14 air conditioner. Replaced one of the Heils I filmed last year. It's all nice and cold. New Midwest disconnect box. Really quiet unit. And we got the other Heil over here. Which has not been running, unfortunately. I was going to try for a startup of it, but suction line is not cold. Yeah, it's not cold. It obviously hasn't been running. This unit is officially 30 years old. Oh, this one's got a Copeland in it. And that's the original disconnect box right there. And obviously these are both straight cool.